have been confirmed in Nashville in the last 24 hours. The Metro Public Health Department also says 3 more people have died. That brings the total number of deaths to 141. About 12% of tests in Nashville have come back positive. The Metro Public Health Department has temporarily closed one of its clinics after an employee tested positive for COVID-19. The East Public Health Center will be closed through July 20th. That case was confirmed yesterday, but officials say the employee who tested positive didn't have any direct contact with patients. Any employees who were exposed will be tested and quarantined. Sumner Regional Medical Center is changing testing procedures for COVID-19. Officials say they will now be conducting daytime in-car evaluations for potential patients with the virus. The decision was made to help prevent emergency room staff and patients from getting infected. And some changes will be coming to courthouses in Montgomery and Robertson counties. Starting tomorrow, masks will be mandated for everyone in the courtroom. According to our partners at Clarksville Now, the decision was ordered by several judges in the 19th Judicial District. For now, the order will last until August 1st and then be reevaluated. An organization called Musically Fed packed boxes today for Nashville's music industry workers. Many of them are struggling during the pandemic. Founder Maria Bruner says those working for production and staging companies have been without work since tours were canceled due to COVID-19. So Musically Fed is hoping to feed 100 people at a drive-in event tomorrow with boxes of food to last them about 2 weeks. Bruner says Music City simply would not be what it is without talented people in the industry.
I don't see anything happening until the middle of 2021. I hope that the car concert that Brad did last night went well. That's certainly something that's viable, and it still is the same type of staging, etc. So maybe there's some possibilities then.
Musicians can register online to receive a box ahead of tomorrow's event. The drive-in will begin at 10 a.m. at the sound check. The Tennessee Department of Human Resources is extending the deadline to apply for food assistance. People can apply online for the Pandemic Electronic Benefit Transfer Program through July 27. This is the second time they've extended that deadline. The program provides parents with about $6 per day for each child that qualifies. Well, a grim new milestone has just been reached in the fight against COVID-19. Florida has now posted the highest single day of coronavirus cases by any state. Whitney Wild has more on the efforts to keep it from getting worse.
This is an American tragedy.
A number that not even New York saw during the height of the pandemic in its state. 15,299. That's the number of new coronavirus cases the Florida Department of Health reported Sunday, making it the highest number of cases recorded by any single state. With more than 7,500 COVID patients hospitalized, medical systems are struggling to keep up and running out of ICU beds.
We definitely had a sharp increase in the number of people going to the hospital. The number of people are in ICU and the number of people on our ventilators.
Florida has been posting and then breaking record high case numbers for the past several weeks, prompting several beaches to close and some areas to roll back their phased reopening. Congresswoman Donna Shalala says the governor needs to take direct action.
It's out of control across the state because our governor won't even tell everybody to wear masks.
While 33 states are on the upswing of new cases, the nation's top doctor says there is still time to turn things around.
If we can get a critical mass of people wearing face coverings, practicing at least 6 feet of social distancing, doing the things that we know are effective, we have the ability to turn this around.
In Washington, I'm Whitney Wild.
Well, Meharry Medical College will have some extra cash in order to help the underserved dealing with COVID-19. We'll have more on an $8 million grant coming up next. Kayla?
Extra returned last Sunday. We continue that momentum tonight. The upcoming college football season is changing before our eyes, and we'll explain why SEC Commissioner